This is the vent that exhausts the air from your dryer, and this goes through a wall, in this particular case, into the laundry room. Now, this might not look like a safety concern, but you might not realize that there's 15,000 fires a year in the U.S. that result from lint buildup. What happens is it restricts the hot air from the dryer being able to escape from the house. The dryer heats a lot more than it needs to. That's where the fire occurs. It can also cost you a lot more money in your energy bill because it takes so much longer for you to dry your clothes. So it really pays to clean all of the lint out of your vent. It's very easy with something like this. This is a lint brush that has an extension handle on it, very inexpensive. You can get it from the home centers fairly easy, and all you have to do is remove the cover. In this case, it's not even attached. You just slip it out like that. Then you can just run the lint brush up inside. Then you can just turn it a little bit, and you're able to keep it nice and clean.